exhaust before being able to complete this accumulation. Okay. So this is the park in Kathmandu. There's this park. And again coming the other way around. And there you go. There she is. There you go. I have to walk fast. I have to walk fast. I have to keep reminding myself to walk fast. Walk fast. So that I can complete this video clip. So, see, I'm not breathing heavy because I'm walking slow. Because I have to do this video clip. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Climb. Okay. Yeah. How I wish there isn't any steps and wheelchair can just go through as easy. Yeah, I'm wondering. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 steps. I'm wondering. I see the market. Yeah, I smell something good. These crabs, you guys come up. I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's the typical honky. Yeah, honky is really less than what you would find normally in India. So, shops here too. There are many things with the cars that are really there is some kind of a shopping mall inside. There is a huge stupa here. Yeah. There's a huge stupa. And there's a small market. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And here lady went by. Okay. One step, two step down. This is a very easy walk, and we walk 1, 2 steps. Excuse me, 1 step, 2 steps. There we go. Washroom. You guys want to use washroom? It is here. The middle one is Buddha. The right one is very in the chair. I think this is English. Here is huge stupa. Huge stupa. this is the valley. There's yet another hill there. Up. But where I'm standing is also a small hill. On top, people have to climb. Okay, now we're back. I have to complete the circuit. It's a matter of mission trip. So, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 steps. There's 1, 2, 3 steps. There it is. 1, 2. Is there rain? No. There is no rain. Go this way. Then come down. And 1, 2. No, I got it now. I have to go this way. Yeah, here. This is the path. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first step to come down. Okay. So I think I missed this part. I thought I did test this record. Somehow I missed it. Yeah, this building looks modern. Okay, shopping. It's a Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Right now. Yeah, really. Swayambhunath. From here, this is Swayambhunath. From Swayambhunath to Baktapur. That is, I think it's almost 30 kilometers. I don't know, 15 maybe, 15 kilometers. No, maybe 10 kilometers. So I have to look up. Bus took around 1 hour, but then as usual bus stops everywhere for passenger. So this is the path that I've missed as far as the gate is concerned. So I'm taking once again until where this spring started, and then I will walk back without problem. So this is the path. See, if anybody is familiar with Kathmandu, this is the road, and there are the buildings. I can zoom. Yeah, let me do that part. Nothing. So I have to turn back. That was waste of my time and my dream. Now let's get back on track. So there you go. This is the process. 1 second more. And smallish button. 2, 3 steps. 3 steps down. The law of straight lines is somewhere you have to meet the line, so I might have to take steps up and down. Yeah, I sweat a lot, so that means what I'm doing is right. So there seems to be a well here. It's kind of dry now. Okay, there you go. There you have no paper wheels. And no paper wheels. Yep. So there we go. This is okay. I'll take this fourth compilation so that you guys will have a good karma. No, I will have a good karma, and you guys will have a happy time. Of course, if you wish it with a strong compassion, you will have a good karma as much as I had, and you will, of course, you will have as good karma as many as I had. Yeah. Is it Tibetan flag? Prayer flag, sorry. Tibetan prayer flag to the monastery. There is the valley. I think I'll go, instead of taking another short round, I'll go up the top and show you guys the Swayambhunath. That will be a complete story. Yep. The main thing I'm taking you here is, earlier I forgot that there is some kind of a cemetery here. I saw some people doing puja and then some burning. So I don't know what it is. I should have told you earlier. Sometimes I missed it. There you go. Mr. Wally. Look at this. Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey is over there. Mr. Monkey is for you. One thing, beware, do not take any eatables in your hand. And don't try to open your bag. If you try to open your bag, these monkeys are very smart. They think that you have something to offer them, and they will snatch it away. Yeah, you might lose, not the eatable, but you lose the whole bag. So, I don't know. So, okay. I think I saw the Kremich somewhere here, but there seems nothing here. So taking a little further down. See? There's the valley. There's the alley here, sorry. And then there at the back, there is Kathmandu, some kind of a city. The Kathmandu, part of the Kathmandu city. So I'm walking by. Okay. So here it is. Okay. So I can step on, keep down. Road. It's kind of a road. And then there you go. The dogs. And then puja is here. And no, I think I'm the best. I thought yeah, so this is my kind of a last, yeah, cemetery. Oh yeah, okay, Let me try that round corner. Around the corner. There's also right here.
Nana.
Yeah, wherever I go, like Varanasi, the Tibetan stupas there. I'm here to bit of a silent, remote and peace. These boys and girls show up, and they have their romance, and I think it's a good thing. That means people are alive, people are doing good things, happy, gadget, and maybe clearly this is the garden.